Hey everyone, today we are going to unbox and take an overview on an entry-level gaming laptop by ASUS that I bought from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the box of the ASUS TUF series gaming laptop FX570. Now this was available for the price of 47,990 rupees under the Amazon Prime Day sale. I found the price very lucrative because the original price is 68,990. So I went to buy this one and it has finally arrived. Let's look at the box contents. So here is the box. Okay, and here is a flap, the seal. Okay, let's look at the back. Now some of the specifications, like the color, that's black red, and it has a RAM of 4 GB. Now it has an Intel i5 8250U. Now the OS is Windows 10 and the RAM is DDR4 8 GB and 4 GB is the VRAM, that is the graphics. Now it has GTX 1050 graphics from NVIDIA. Now let's open this up. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, the unboxing experience is pretty good. Now it is written here ASUS Gaming. Now let's take a look at the contents. So this is the laptop here. At the side there may be the power brick. Okay, this is the adapter cable. Keep it here. Now let's open the laptop itself. Okay, so this is the laptop covered with the cloth, it seems. Okay, so this is the laptop. If you can see, looks pretty good both from the outside and the sides. Okay, it's got pretty much weight to it. You can't complain because it's a gaming laptop and claims to be the lightest gaming laptop available in India. And okay, let's keep this one aside for now. Now let's look what do we have else. Okay, these are the manuals, and maybe having the here maybe the adapter. So this one's the adapter here. So now let's open up this laptop. For an overview, the build quality is plastic, although there was a variant made up of metal, but it was a bit more pricier, so I preferred this one because I can work it out with plastic. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, the screen size is 15.6 inches, and as I told, it has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics. Spectacular design. It has an LED backlit keyboard. Let's see if it has any power. Unfortunately there is no power. Let's charge it up. Okay, so let's start up the laptop. So before showcasing this laptop to you, I have made up all the initial settings that were required and downloaded some dope wallpapers and installed all the necessary drivers that were required. And the things that I want to say are the boot up time is pretty good, means it boots up pretty quick, and the visuals, means the display is good. It's a full HD display, and the most important thing is that it performs very good, and the battery life is decent. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if possible in an upcoming video I will show you some of the gameplay in this laptop so that you can get an idea about the graphical performance. And till then, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to make such awesome videos for you.